On the far southwestern edge of Indiana is a remarkable museum. Located on a bluff above the Ohio River, the Evansville Museum is a must-stop and a place I wanted to see for a long time. I was not disappointed. Just inside and to the left, you see a partial globe, one that looks like the Death Star, only made out of beautiful wood. This is actually an immersive theater and planetarium. Inside, it has a 40-foot tall screen and 10,000 watt digital surround sound system. To the right are the science and history galleries. Both young and old alike will love this. I know I did. Starting at the Science Discovery Gallery, you're greeted by a Kodiak bear, the largest predator in North America. Absolutely get your picture next to it. Walking further, you find many hands-on, fun exhibits. Like this robotics exhibit. You use these two controls to grab objects. Trust me, the struggle is real. There's also temporary exhibits, like this one now, with items from NASA. I have to tell you, I really enjoyed the walk-through time exhibit. They recreated a small pioneer village and early town. There's a section about Abraham Lincoln and his family that lived in Indiana for many years. The cabinet in the corner is an example of Thomas Lincoln's work. This is followed by a walk through Evansville's early history. Down every city street, frozen in time, are period artifacts. There's a section about Evansville's military past. And finally, entering the town hall, you can learn about things that shaped Evansville as one of Indiana's largest cities. You can take the stairs next to the planetarium or the elevators to get upstairs into the art exhibits. The museum is fully handicap accessible and easily navigated with a wheelchair. The Humankind exhibit explores the beautiful art and creations of indigenous people. The Crescent Galleries is a collection of modern through Renaissance masterpieces. The Renaissance Gallery is simply wonderful. There's a lot to see and experience at the Art, History, and Science Museum, and you're not even finished after 2 levels. Just across the parking lot is the Evansville Museum Transportation Center, or MTRAC. Before you even get there, you see an impressive locomotive and train cars behind it. Inside the front door, you see a tribute to all modes of transportation, and later, 2 very big surprises. We'll get to that in a moment. Being along the Ohio River, Evansville has a huge riverboat history. You can even enter a pilot house and turn the wheel like a riverboat captain. There's things to learn about early aviation. And life along the railways of Evansville. The other side of the museum picks up with carriages of different types. If you died before the age of the automobiles, you'd be transported to the cemetery in one of these. This is what a fire engine looked like. It was pulled by horses. Check out this bicycle with a huge wheel. That doesn't look easy to ride. And finally, one of the first true cars. And then there's the riverboat miniatures. I can't imagine the time and patience it took to build all of these. Then, one of the big surprises and a favorite of everyone, the city of Evansville in miniature with working model trains.
The L&N or C&DI became a presence in Evansville in 1911. The steam railroads that served Evansville in circa 1950. The Louisville and Nashville or L&N first located a passenger terminal in Evansville, moved its operation to the L&N depot. The last C&DI passenger train departed Evansville in 1968. The New York Central had the most track mileage of any railroad, Huntingburg and Evansville. The thunderous sounds of the Businessmen's Association Grand
The detail is amazing.
example of Richardson Romanesque architecture. Agencies. The cornerstone for Holy Trinity Catholic Terminal headquarters from the late 1880s through April of 19. First located a passenger terminal in Evansville in 1873 and constructed the Union Depot.
You can even buy railroad souvenirs, such as an engineer's hat and Christmas ornaments. Looking outside, you see the second big surprise. You can tour a vintage train from the golden era of transportation. The exhibit consists of an engine, passenger car, and caboose. In days gone by, a conductor would have greeted you and helped you aboard. Meals would have been served in style. I can't get over all of this stainless steel. And finally, the humble caboose. With a coal furnace to keep the crew warm. There's even a rail car for inspecting the rails. As Evansville is on Central Time, your clock goes back an hour in Evansville if traveling from Louisville's Eastern Daylight Savings Time, which is great if you're getting a late start. Both amazing museums are included in one admission and are open Tuesdays through Saturdays, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Sundays from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Definitely a great place to visit.